One of the tools governments love in DemandStar is the estimated budget field. This field makes them look like a hero and shows the value of their procurement department and process. Those who use it can use DemandStar reporting to show how much the projects went under budget due to competition and diversity of suppliers reached. This field is hidden by default from suppliers and other agencies. The only ones who can see the estimated budget are members of your organization. If you would like to share your estimated budget with suppliers, we'll cover the option to do so. Adding an estimated budget amount to your bid has several benefits. First, you'll be able to better gauge how close suppliers are to your budget once the bid closes from your activity report. You can easily compare your award amount to the estimated budget to see the results of posting on DemandStar. Secondly, you'll also have insight to supplier certifications, the number of plan holders for your bids, and other bid details in the reports area, which I'll show you now. In DemandStar, you can simply click on the Activities tab and then select Solicitation Reports. You can choose what your report is for, either bids or quotes, their status, and a date range. Once you hit Search, you can see your bids and how many suppliers it was advertised to, how many suppliers with certification received it, and the final cost of the project compared to the estimated bid. You can also export it to Excel. If you were to publish 12 projects worth $1 million each in 2021, how nice would it be to be able to show that your 12 projects on average were seen by 300 companies, 10% were suppliers with certifications, and the average amount you awarded it for was 15% under budget. Now it's as easy as clicking one button. Here is an example of your exported information. Now I'll show you how to find the estimated budget field in your bid. We'll head over to the dashboard and add a bid. When you're creating your bid on DemandStar, you'll see this optional field. It's important to mention that this field is set to only be visible to you and your staff. Suppliers and other governments will never see it in your advertisement, unless you chose the box to make this public. It's just that easy to use the estimated budget field and look like a hero. The estimated budget section is a great way to show the impact of a free procurement platform that comes with a large supplier network. If you have a supervisor, director, or auditor that's wondering how you made your awardee decision, you can point directly to your estimated budget and walk them through the other submitted responses. We know that not all bids have budgets, but we hope to see you utilize this field when possible to track cost savings on each of your projects.